So the only time that you aren't going to put your firearm case in another bag is if you have a big case like this, okay? So we're going to open up this Pelican case. A full-size pistol, Glock 20, 10mm. We have some magazines. We have an AR pistol lower. And we have the AR pistol upper with the red dot. Nothing's going to change with how we secure this. We're going to close it. Put our locks on here, and this one is good to go. You're going to take this to the counter, tell them you're checking a firearm. Sometimes you have to unlock it to show them. After you show them, you're going to put a slip in here to say that it's yours, where you're going, and this is going to get checked in.